the #1 daily drink to naturally lower your blood pressure. This video is for educational purposes only, so please speak with your doctor before using any of my natural remedies. High blood pressure can damage your blood vessels over time, so it's very important to fix the root causes of the problem. Your doctor may prescribe medications to lower blood pressure, but they often have unforeseen side effects. Fortunately, there are many natural ingredients found in plants that can normalize your blood pressure naturally. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple yet powerful recipe to lower blood pressure naturally by drinking just 1 cup every day. As we go through, you'll also learn about some of the root causes of high blood pressure and how to address these issues as well. Ingredients of the Heart Blend Tea. The first ingredient that you'll need for this is dried orange peels. Take a half a teaspoon of dried orange peels and add them to a cup. Orange peels contain hesperidin, a powerful flavonoid that's been shown to widen blood vessels, improving circulation and allowing blood to flow more freely through your body, which will lower your blood pressure. Hesperidin also helps to heal the arteries and veins from existing damage caused by high blood pressure, and it also helps to prevent LDL cholesterol from sticking and oxidizing in your artery walls, which reduces the risk of blockages and stiffness. The dried orange peel also adds a wonderful aroma and a lovely flavor to the tea. 2. Hibiscus. Next, add 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus flowers to a cup. These beautiful flowers are some of the most effective natural remedies in the world for lowering blood pressure. One of the main causes of high blood pressure is very tight, restricted arteries because of an enzyme called ACE. Hibiscus flowers, however, contain anthocyanins. These are bright red pigments that act as natural ACE inhibitors. This basically helps to relax your arteries and lower your blood pressure very, very quickly. In addition, hibiscus acts like a mild diuretic, helping your body to flush out excess fluids, and this takes the pressure off the veins and arteries and supports your heart health. 3. Nettle leaf. You'll also need to add 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaf to the cup. Many people get high blood pressure because they have too much sodium from salt in their bodies, but they don't have enough essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These minerals are very important because they help to keep fluid levels balanced in the body, and they support the cells that line your arteries, as well as supporting the pumping action of the heart. Now, nettle leaves are rich in both potassium and magnesium, making them essential for anyone who's looking to normalize their blood pressure naturally and permanently. Additionally, nettle leaves act as a natural pain reliever, helping to reduce inflammation throughout your body, which can further support your heart. Ingredient number 4 is called lemon balm. Next, you'll want to add 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm leaves to the cup. Another common cause of high blood pressure is having too much cortisol. This is a stress hormone that tightens your arteries and raises your blood sugar levels. High levels of cortisol is very common for people who don't get at least 7 hours of sleep at night, or they've been under a lot of emotional stress recently or in the past. Now, lemon balm is a citrusy smelling herb in the mint family, which I personally use quite often to reduce stress and cortisol. This herb works by naturally boosting GABA, a calming brain chemical that lowers cortisol and takes the stress off the heart and the arteries. Drinking from just a teaspoon of this every day triggers waves of relaxation and peace, making it wonderful for lowering stress-related hypertension. Ingredient number 5, licorice root. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of dried licorice root to the cup. This ingredient adds a pleasant anise flavour to the drink and further helps to balance cortisol levels. If you're someone who overthinks, struggles with sleep, or has anxiety, licorice root may help to address the underlying causes of your high blood pressure. As a bonus, it also soothes digestive problems and helps to heal ulcers and inflammation in the stomach. However, it is best to only use a small amount of licorice root per day, as if you use large quantities, it can deplete your potassium levels and that may actually make your blood pressure worse, so don't overdo it. Number 6 is black pepper. Optionally, you can add a small pinch of ground black pepper to the mixture. This spice contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of nutrients into your body from the other ingredients. It also has mild anti-inflammatory properties, helping to further support your heart and circulatory system. Ingredient 7, vitamin D3 drops. Next, add 10 drops of liquid vitamin D3 to the tea. Vitamin D is absolutely essential for heart health and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Unfortunately, many people who have high blood pressure are deficient in this important nutrient. 10 drops of vitamin D3, which is 10,000 international units, is the equivalent of sitting outside in the sunshine for 20 minutes, or just 250 micrograms, which is actually just a small amount. Vitamin D helps to support your cardiovascular system by maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. This is the single most important vitamin involved with lowering high blood pressure, so please don't overlook it. If you don't want to add it to the tea, you can simply take it as a supplement. And 8. Liquid stevia. Optionally, add 3 to 5 drops of liquid stevia to taste after you brewed the tea. Stevia is a natural sweetener with 0 calories and no impact on blood sugar, making it a perfect addition to add a hint of sweetness, as some of these ingredients can be quite bitter. This plant-based sweetener may help you to enjoy your daily tea while supporting your heart health. How to prepare the Heart Blend tea. I recommend using organic ingredients where possible to ensure the best quality and effectiveness of this tea. Begin by boiling 10 ounces of water. This will form the base of your tea and allow the herbs to steep properly. In a cup or a teapot, add the dried orange peel, hibiscus, nettle leaf, lemon balm, licorice root, and a pinch of black pepper. Pour the boiling water over the herbs and let the tea steep for 9 minutes. This allows all of the healing compounds from the herbs to infuse into the water. Feel free to cover your teapot or cup during this time to keep the heat in. Then strain the tea using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser to remove the herbs. Once the tea has slightly cooled, add 10 drops of liquid vitamin D3 to the drink, and if you'd like to sweeten it, you can add the liquid stevia at this stage. Your tea is now ready to drink. Sip it slowly and feel the calming effects as your body absorbs the powerful nutrients from the herbs. Drinking just 1 cup of my Heart Blend tea on a daily basis can quickly help to bring blood pressure back to normal. It's recommended to drink this consistently for at least 6 weeks to experience the full, long-term benefits of this herbal mixture. I also recommend using a cheap blood pressure monitor at home to keep a track over time and notice your improvements. If you're already taking medications for high blood pressure, be sure to check with your doctor before using this drink, as the ingredients may double the effect of your medication and this could make your blood pressure go too low. Other ways to normalize blood pressure. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated with the latest health and nutrition tips. 1 coffee only. Drink no more than 1 cup of coffee in the morning, as too much caffeine triggers cortisol release, which can raise your blood pressure. Antioxidants. Reduce the oxidative stress in your arteries by taking in more antioxidant-rich food and supplements. Berries, omega-3 fish oils, coenzyme Q10, zinc, and vitamin C are all excellent examples. Kidney support. Your kidneys play a very important role in regulating your blood pressure as well. So support your kidneys by limiting or avoiding alcohol, refined sugar and processed foods. Also, avoid overusing painkillers and opt for more natural alternatives like nettle root or devil's claw. Lavender oil. Add a few drops of lavender oil into a diffuser or an oil burner and inhale the vaporized oil around the home. Lavender boosts serotonin and dopamine levels, helping you to feel calm, relaxed and happy. This naturally calms down the nervous system and can reduce high blood pressure. Raw salad. Eat a raw salad with lots of leafy greens and a little grass-fed cheese 3 times per week. These foods will supply the essential potassium, magnesium and calcium that are needed for a healthy heartbeat and healthy arteries. Avocados. I highly recommend adding some sliced or mashed avocados to your salad since these contain enormous amounts of potassium. The fat found in avocados also helps you to absorb more nutrients from your salad because it activates bile release from your liver. Zinc. Eat foods that are rich in zinc like pumpkin seeds, oysters and red meat. Zinc is absolutely essential to maintain healthy blood pressure by supporting the renin-angiotensin system. Zinc also helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the arteries to prevent blood vessel stiffness. Mineral water. Drink at least 1.5 liters of water per day to fully hydrate your body and ensure your blood doesn't become too thick. Proper hydration helps blood to flow more freely, reducing strain on your heart. Water also supports kidney function, helping to flush out excess sodium and waste products that can elevate blood pressure. Lemon and apple cider vinegar. Adding raw lemon juice and/or a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your water can further support heart health by regulating blood sugars. It also protects and heals the inner walls of the arteries against damage. Paced breathing. I also highly recommend incorporating deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Slow, controlled breathing stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which reduces your heart rate, relaxes your blood vessels, and lowers blood pressure naturally. Simply breathe in for 5 seconds gently, and then out for 5 seconds gently, repeating this calm breathing for a few minutes. This will give you 6 full breath cycles per minute, majorly reducing stress and improving heart function for free. Plain walking. Take daily walks for at least 30 minutes to get lots of fresh air into your lungs. This makes your heart become more efficient at pumping blood. Lose weight. If you're overweight, lose weight by following a low carbohydrate diet and using intermittent fasting. Having too much stored fat, particularly around your belly area, raises your blood pressure and inflammation. Magnesium glycinate. I also suggest consider taking a magnesium glycinate supplement at 200 to 400 milligrams per day to relax your arteries and your muscles. Magnesium helps the heart to generate energy, and it also helps to reset your sleep and wake cycles so that you can get better sleep at night, and this in turn restores the nervous system control over blood pressure. Aim to get at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your cortisol levels normal. Summary. High blood pressure can be dangerous over time, leading to damage in the arteries and increases the risk of heart attacks and blood clots. Addressing the root causes of high blood pressure is essential for long-term health, but you can also support your efforts by drinking my Heart Blend tea. This very simple daily tea lowers blood pressure naturally by harnessing the power of herbs like hibiscus, nettle leaf and lemon balm, which improve circulation, reduce stress and provide essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium. By drinking just 1 cup a day along with adopting other healthy lifestyle changes, you can bring down your blood pressure and support your overall health. Be sure to monitor your progress with a home blood pressure monitor and consult with your doctor, especially if you're already on medication, to avoid any potential interactions. High blood pressure can also be a problem for people who have clogged arteries. So if you'd like to learn how to unclog your arteries naturally, tap on the video that I've put on the screen now for more information. I'd like to thank you so much for watching another of my videos, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.